Hello there.
So we've hyped it up. It's time for October's best pod video. What do we got? Way to go. Congratulations. You're watching it. You're fucking
watching
lucky.
our fucking video because fuck yeah.
I mean, that means you're a fucking vape boy, so welcome to the club.
Welcome to the squad.
So Nate, in your opinion, which one has the best flavor?
The Smock Nova.
Why?
Easy answer, because it's the best. Okay, so I mean, it's a full-bodied feel. It's just the taste of it. It's almost like you're eating whatever the flavor is.
Yeah, I can get behind that.
Yeah.
I mean, it's kind of tight,
yeah,
very juicy.
It's like
feel
when
in
you
the
chew
mouth.
gum, you know, when it's juicy and it kind of fills up your mouth. It's like that.
All right.
And then, you know, the rest are all good, but that is definitely, in my opinion, the best. How about you?
All right. Well, my top flavor pick is the Voopoo Panda. Now, you might be thinking, you know, the Smock Novo sounds really good and it's tight, and that usually means it has a good flavor. But the Voopoo just is so much all at once that it's just you can't not ignore its flavor. It's beautiful.
It's like the Dame Drops or whatever the fuck he was like doing the Five Guys review. It's like the burger just takes all the space.
Yeah,
Like,
seriously.
The vape just takes all the space.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's a great flavor. Like, and compared to the Novo, I mean, they're two horses of a different color, so you're gonna get very different hits. But we'll talk about that later when we talk about the hit. So the hit we were just talking about.
Yeah, we just brought that up.
Nate, what do you think has the best?
The best hit is a fucking Orion or Orion. I don't know how to say it, so I'm gonna say Orion the whole video.
The Orion, the Lost Fog.
The Lost Fog.
You mean
no? It's the Lost Vape Orion.
Lost Vape.
And
That's the one that's like top of the line.
Oh,
the one everybody's been
like,
buzzing about.
What? Yeah, it's expensive.
But like, why is the hit so good, Nate? What about it?
The hit's so good because it has the proper throat hit. It has the proper. That is what you want in a hit. The way that it feels is perfect. You know, you can hit it for as long as you want, which is cool. Some of the devices have a cutoff.
Well, and it has adjustable airflow, which is...
And it's like, here, I got it right here. It's like a mod. You can adjust the airflow, and you can fucking chuck on this bitch. It's one of the only devices that I can hit one time real good and get a buzz. It'll buzz me.
Yeah.
Which... like, it'll knock you on your ass if you wanted to. And it's really cool because you can manipulate the way that you hit it to get that buzz or just get a normal little hit.
You know, Nate, I think I'm going to have to agree with you. I think the Orion definitely has the best hit. My runner-up would probably be the Aspire Sprite, just because of the way the mouthpiece is, the way the vapor comes in. It feels like heavy,
yeah.
And I really like a heavy hit, but nothing compares to the Orion.
Yeah.
It's like, if the Sprite is here, the Orion's...
yeah. If I had to give a runner-up, I'd probably say it's the Voopoo Panda. In my opinion.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, Voopoo Panda's hit is
it is
solid.
Great. Yeah, very solid. Very solid. But, you know, just exactly what Mario said. Everything's down here, and the Orion is up here.
Which vape, in your opinion, has the best design, Nate?
The Orion. It just does.
Again, yeah, the Orion is like a beautiful...
It's very compact. It reminds me of a mod. So if you're an OG vapor before the pod systems came out and you like the whole mod, the idea of a mod and stuff like that, it's great. It's great for you. And, you know, altogether it's got a lot of cool technology and shit like that. Like, you can change the modes. It's just, altogether, it's a great little package.
Yeah, in my opinion, I think it's a toss-up between the Orion, because it is absolutely a premium device, and the Aspire Breeze 2. And the reason being is the Breeze 2 is kind of built like a tank, but in a different way than the Orion. The Orion feels like premium. It's small, thin, but sharp edges, and kind of heavy for how small it is. Whereas with the Breeze 2, it's just like a big batten vape, you know? It comes up, it's a big battery, big pod tank, and it puts out a big hit. And the whole overall design is really cool, like the way it looks. Although, the Orion really looks cool.
The Orion, in my opinion, looks the coolest.
Yeah,
and
for sure.
I guess I'd
but,
say.
But design is more than just how it looks.
Yeah.
It's also the
it's
functionality.
the functionality, which is why I'm picking the Orion. I think my second pick is the Nexus.
Right.
Because of all the technology that they have packed into that one device.
Same with the Orion. They have a similar technology.
Yeah, very similar. And like the Nexus is more like the Breeze 2 in the way that it works, where it's got an actual coil instead of the Orion, which is like an actual pod system. And then it also has 3 modes, just like the Orion. And it's got that automatic shut off when your juice is low, so you're not going to burn your coils too quick.
Yeah, that's something the Orion should get.
Yeah. And then, last but not least, auto temp control. When your battery goes down, it adjusts the temperature, so you get that longer battery life.
Yeah, seriously, like the Nexus is a little underrated, but it, if you have the budget, if you don't have the budget for something like the Orion, you might want to check out the Nexus.
Yeah.
Links down below. It's really, really sweet. My top pick for hand feel definitely goes to the Voopoo Panda. The way it's contoured to fit in your hand with the button right here, you can just click or like this, and it kind of is molded to fit in your hand, which I really like, especially for a category known as hand feel.
Yeah. I'm inclined to say the Orion just because I like the weight of it a lot, but I think it's not the best hand feel. I think I'm going to agree with you that the Voopoo Panda, because just the way that it's shaped, the way that it just fits in your hand perfect.
It's comfy.
Great for the button and everything.
It's comfy,
it
dude.
sits in your hand like, the way you want it to sit.
Right, and I think we should do a subcategory pocket feel. Because pocket feel is very important. Like, one of the biggest turnoffs to a standard traditional mod is how big it is. You don't want to lug that around. Ultra portable systems are nice, and like Voopoo Panda fits nice in the pocket.
It is nice. It's wider than most pod systems, which is something cool about it. Because you kind of like, when you lose or you think you lose your keys, and you're like, right? Because they're so thin that you just don't know that they're in your pocket. The Panda never has that happen because you can feel it on your leg because it's
a little thick.
It's not annoying. It's just it's there.
It's noticeable and it's kind of satisfying because it's like, weird.
Right.
Well, I guess this category is definitely bang for buck, right? So when looking at all of these vapes, what offers the most for the least amount of money? And in my opinion, it's the Nexus.
Yeah, I think it is. I think it is the Nexus, and then probably the Smock Novo to me, not because of technology and stuff. It's a very basic device, but just the way that it works.
Well, and
it runs.
The Novo is premium feeling too.
Yeah,
like it's a nice device,
and it's cheap. That's part of it. Yeah, it's very cheap,
and the pods are excellent too.
Yeah.
So the Nexus is cool because you get all of this technology built into a device that only costs between $17 and $27 depending on where you look. We have a link down below where it's like $20. So.
Yeah, we got links for all these devices down here. So, but yeah, the Nexus just has so much stuff in it for that price. Just all that technology, which at a little bit cheaper than a Panda, kind of makes it the better deal there. And
the only problem with it is the hit, because the hit is it's super smooth.
It's smooth, so it'd be fine for somebody who's looking for a smooth hit. It'd be great for you. I just have I want that throat hit.
Me too, exactly. It's like kind of deceiving with the Nexus because you hit it and then you don't know if you've actually hit it, and then you chuck a big cloud and you're like, all right.
Yeah, you'll still get the same buzz, anything like that you're looking for. You're still gonna get it. It's just not gonna have as much of a throat hit. Yeah.
I mean, Orion. So the best overall, I think we're gonna split it up into two, right?
Yeah.
Because the Orion is the best of the best. Like, the link's down below, and it's $70, so it's pretty expensive. But you should go at least go check it out because it's really sick. You have so many different designs, and it's premium. And you get a big battery, big tank, big clouds.
A lot of big stuff. So yeah, I agree with you fully on that, which is kind of funny about we've not had a best pod video where we agreed.
Yeah, you're right.
And we're agreeing on this one. we're also gonna give you guys an option that's not quite as expensive. We're gonna say what our favorite ones are.
The best for a normal person.
Just like best budget, I guess.
Yeah.
Because not everybody can go spend $80 on one of these.
But if you can,
if you
have to buy
this. If you
like,
can, this is the
best
one to buy.
Seriously, without a doubt.
Yeah, you're gonna buy it. Yeah, you're gonna buy it, and you're not gonna want to buy another one. You're not gonna need to buy another one.
No,
it's gonna be the one. So
this will be the one. So go check it out.
Yeah, definitely. But yeah, on to the budget best overall.
So my top overall for the budget category for someone who can't afford an Orion is probably going to have to go again to the Vupu Panda, because it's not the newest device out there, but it's the best one. Like the hits are amazing. It's pretty cheap. 5mm pod and a fat battery will last you all day long, if not 2 days. And you get very satisfying hits, and it's pretty cheap. It's like $20, which I love. I mean, I just love the Panda. If I wasn't hitting the Orion or something, I'd be hitting the Panda all the time.
Yeah. So honestly, it comes down to the Panda and the Novo, which I'd probably have to put at a dead tie because they both do completely different things for me.
Yeah, that's cool because it's definitely what you want out of a vape.
They're very complementary.
Yeah.
They're two. If I take those two devices with me, I've got everything I want.
And that's one thing a lot of people don't realize. When you have one vape, it's awesome because you have a vape. But when you have two, you really get to choose what you want. And like having having multiple vapes is definitely the way to go. Because the Panda, you get the big hits and it's satisfying. But sometimes you want just like a little fucking...
Yeah. Like when I got into the whole vaping thing originally, when I got new devices, I kind of just, I would sell my old one to somebody or just throw it away, get rid of it, buy a new one whenever one broke, something like that. And I started to grow a little collection. And you kind of start to notice, you pick up different ones on different days, and you have
totally.
It's like, I want to use this one right now. It's not really like I want to use a vape. It's I want to use this vape right now.
Exactly, because you know what the hit is like, and that's kind of you're feeling it, and it's so great when you just have the option to. So if you can afford to, you should definitely pick up
give
a
it a
second
try.
vape.
Yeah, because I mean these are all pretty cheap, so you don't have to buy that much else with it. One of these systems for $20. If you already have one, you probably have juice. That's all you need. Yeah,
and as we said before many times, links are down below, and we've done the research on them, so we found the cheapest prices available for them. And when the price changes, we update the links. Mm-hmm. So go check it out, and definitely, if you can, buy the fuck out of the Orion, because that shit is so nice. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.
Peace out.